Good morning and Jai Gurudev student. Today we will discuss exercise 4.2 from question number 5. In question number 5, here statement given, the altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than each base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. All of you know what is base, what is altitude, what is hypotenuse of a right triangle. Now here condition given, if the altitude is 7 cm less than each base. If we take base is equal to x, then altitude will be 7 cm less means x minus 7. And the hypotenuse is given 13 cm. Then we can easily find the value of x by using Pythagoras theorem. So this one sum we can solve like this way. Now let base is equal to x cm. Then altitude 7 cm less, that's why altitude will be x minus 7. And hypotenuse given how much? 13 cm. Because it is a right triangle, this right angle opposite side is known as hypotenuse. And this one, if we take base, then this one will be altitude. And this one x cm, therefore this one x minus 7 cm. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, here hypotenuse square is equal to how much? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Pythagoras theorem, here hypotenuse square is equal to base square, suppose base square plus altitude square. That means we can write hypotenuse means 13 square is equal to base means x square plus altitude means x minus 7 whole square. Now we simplify. X square 13 square means 169 is equal to x square plus x minus 7. This one we expand by using a minus b whole square. That's why x square minus twice ab means 2 into 7 into x, 14x plus 7 square means 9. Now x square plus x square, we take twice x square. This one right hand side, but I have written here left hand side. Twice x square minus 49x plus 49 minus 169. Why? Because this one we bring this side, that's why minus 169 is equal to 0. Now this one twice x square minus 14x minus 0 120 equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. We can solve this one quadratic equation by factorization method. Factorization means middle term splitting. And we can reduce this one also because 2 is the common factor of each and every term. That's why if we divide by 2, then it will be x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Now this one 60, 12 5s are 60 and 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. That's why we can write x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equal to 0. Now from here, from these two terms, if we take x common, then x minus 12 will come. And from these two terms, if we take 5 common, then x minus 12 will come. That's why 2 factor will be x minus 12 and x plus 5 equal to 0. From here, x minus 12 equal to 0, that means x is equal to 12. Or x plus 5 equal to 0, this means x is equal to minus 5. This minus 5 is not possible. Why? Length never negative. That's why this one not possible. Therefore, length of the base is equal to 12 cm. If length of base is equal to 12 cm, therefore length of the altitude, height, length of the height here altitude is equal to 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 cm. Therefore, this is the answer. Next, question number 6. In question number 6, here given, a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Here given certain number of pottery article in a day produces in a cottage industry produce a certain number of pottery article in a day, and it was observed what the cost of production of each article in rupees. Each article cost will be how much? 3 more than twice the number of article produced on that day. If X number of article produced, then cost will be what? Twice the number of article means 2 into X plus 3 more means plus 3. Each article cost will be twice X plus 3 rupees. And if the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, if total cost of production is equal to 90, then we have to find the number of article produced on that day and cost of each article. Okay, this one we solve. Now we take, let the number of article produced in a day is equal to X number. Therefore, the cost of production of each article is equal to how much rupees? Rupees twice of this one, that means 2 times of the number of article means twice X plus 3 more means 3. Therefore, cost of each article will be rupees 2x plus 3 rupees. And total cost is equal to rupees 90. Therefore, according to question, what happened? Each article cost is equal to this one and X number of article produced in that day, and total cost is equal to 90. Therefore, this one is equal to, according to question, X into 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. Now if we multiply twice x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0, this one quadratic equation will form. Now 290 is a 180, that's why 2x, and if we 12 15 is how much? 180. Therefore, this one minus 12x plus 15x minus 90 equal to 0, because 12 50 is a minus 180, and minus 12 plus 15 is equal to how much? 3. That's why we split this one 3x by minus 12x plus 15x. Now from these two terms, if we take if we take 2x common, then what happened? Here x left and here 6, and plus from here 15 if we take common, then x minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 6 one factor and another factor twice x minus 15 plus 15 equal to 0. And from here x minus 6 equal to 0, that means x is equal to 6, or twice x plus 15 equal to 0, that means twice x is equal to minus 15. Therefore x is equal to minus 15 by 2. But this one not possible. This one not possible. Why not possible? Number of article never negative. Number minus 2 article, minus 3 article, like this way. This one not possible. Therefore x is equal to 6. This one our answer. That means we have to find the cost of each article and number of article. Therefore thus the required number of article produce is equal to is 6, and cost of each article is equal to how much? If cost of each article how much? Article is equal to 2 into 6, twice 6, no, rupees. 2 into 6 plus 3, that means rupees 15. Therefore cost of each article is equal to rupees 15. That means this one our answer. I hope all of you understand.